How to update your contact information in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. In the Preferences section, click on the Contact Information icon. Update your existing email address if you wish to update it. You can also add your secondary email address. These email addresses will be used to receive notifications and password reset confirmations of the account. You can also fill in your preferences about notifications on auto SSL failures by clicking on the option buttons in the bottom left corner. We recommend you retain the default setting. Now, click on the Save button. That's it, we have successfully updated the contact information in cPanel. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.